Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have a sneak peek for you, a Christmas sneak peek. Camille is right here. I got this in the mail, y'all. Well, you know, delivery, not in the mail, but this is huge, huge. Okay, so I do want you to know, especially if you're new to my channel, if you've known me a while, then you know what I do. A lot of channels open all kinds of advent calendars, and that's wonderful, and I enjoy watching them also, but I can't afford a bunch of them, so I get just one usually. And it's a long story about last year. I was getting one and then it didn't come in time, and my wonderful friends Laura the Bargain Hunter and Cece's Travel Size Life sent me a couple from Macy's, and they were wonderful, and I really enjoyed that. I enjoy opening the advent calendar on each day, so starting December 1st, and some of them go through the 24th, some of them go through the 25th, some of them are 12-day calendars, and if you do that, you can do those after Christmas, or you can do them start like the 13th of December. You know, different ways you can do things. It's just up to you when you get a gift like that, how you want to do it. I got a advent calendar that I have been coveting and wanting for a few years, and it is, let me just show it to you. I showed you the big box. I'm gonna take it apart, and I'm not gonna open it up, but I'm gonna show it to you. Let me unwrap it. Here it is, y'all. This is Space NK. This is how gorgeous it is. It's huge. It's a 25-day calendar. This is from London, sent to me from London, shipped to me from London. I'm showing it to you now in case it's something that you would like to buy. It's still on sale. It's still for sale. They do run out of them before Christmas time. So when you open it up, oops, this is what it looks like inside. A quick sneak peek. I'm not going to look inside. I know what's in there. You can go on their website and see everything in there. It's a phenomenal calendar. It is one that is just absolutely phenomenal. I'll tell you this, if you do order this for yourself or for a friend, a loved one or something, they do offer gift wrap when you're checking out, because it's a store. Space NC, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. They're a store. They did not gift wrap this. I was like, oh sure, let me gift wrap it. They did send me the card. I did write myself a card. It says, just for you, Space NK, and it says, happy birthday and Merry Christmas, I love you. So I thought I would do that, but I thought it was going to be wrapped up, but it comes, the outer box, as you saw, is just right the same size as it, so there's no place for them to wrap it. But go ahead and open it up if you get this for someone, because they do let you pick two samples. I'll show you those in a second, and they also give you a welcome gift to you that is a $10 off. So whether you want to use that or you want to give that to your loved one so that they can get, well, actually it says you have to use it within the month. And when you buy it, when you sign in, you join their quote unquote club, and you get points, and I get $15 of points by buying this. So, and then it does come with the brochure that tells you all about what's in there. And like I said, on the website, if you go to it, you can see under it says spoilers, and you can see absolutely everything that's in there. And also the big channels have already received this and opened it. So if you want to see it, go look for it. But let me tell you, Camille's sitting on my notes. This is Space NK is a British retailer of personal care and beauty products. It's a huge store. They have many stores. They actually have stores, maybe not all around the world, but they have some in Ireland. They have some in the United States, is what it said. I've never seen one myself, but I'm in a small area. The company was founded in 1991 by Nikki Kennard. So NK, that's where we get the NK from. And the first store opening in London in 1993. This is valued at $1,300. It's $305.50. As the ultimate curator of over 100 of the most in-demand, highly innovative, and boundary-pushing beauty brands, from hair care and skincare to makeup and fragrance, we're the go-to destination for worldwide beauty discovery. And this was free shipping, and they did let me choose express shipping, I think it was called, but guess who shipped it was DHL. So they said I would get it within 2 days, and that didn't happen. I ordered it on a Friday and I got it on a Thursday. So just so you know, it did, you know, and it's coming from the UK. So, but they didn't say anything different when I put that address in. So, and then they did let me pick 2 things, and they had several things to pick from. And of course I picked Kate Somerville. I love her, and I love her products. And this is the Exfoliate, which I have in my bathroom right now, a tube of it. And it is a, it says intensive exfoliating treatment. You know, honestly, I've got 2 in my bathroom. I've got 1 smaller tube and 1 bigger tube, and I forget which one is which, but it says for all skin types. One is more like you use it once a week, and one is where you can use it more often. And it has fine grains to it. It's very nice. It's a very nice exfoliator. And then this, I don't think I've ever had this one before. This is the Total Repair, Total Repair Cream. I love her stuff, so of course I'm going to get that for my 2 free samples. But I just wanted to share this with y'all because I'm super excited about it. And y'all, how I was able to pay for this, that's a lot of money for me. And I'll tell you something, we've talked about it before. Everything in my life has gone up. Every bill has gone up. But because of you, there's things that I get. Rakuten. I don't talk about Rakuten very often, but it's always in my description. If you sign up right now for Rakuten, what you have to do, you sign up on it using my link, for example. If you use my link, because there's other creators that do this as well. And also you can do this, and I'll explain that in a minute. If you sign up under me, I will get $30, and you will get $30 once you make a purchase, okay? And you have to do that fairly swiftly. You can't wait months and months, which some people do, and then they don't honor that anymore. But you'll get $30. And I think you have to spend $30. I think. I'm not real sure about that. But then you'll get $30 in your bank of Rakuten, and Rakuten pays every quarter. So they pay August, so then they'll pay November and February, like that. It's an app on your phone. And also when you join it, you can put it on your computer as well. So when you open, say you want to shop at Walmart, you put Walmart up and it'll say Walmart, and then below it says Rakuten Walmart. It just says Walmart. It has a little Rakuten emblem, and you know, if you click on that one, then it says at the top to activate the and Walmart gives you like 1% back. But you know what? I do my grocery shopping there. I buy kitty litter and stuff, so 1% can add up. And so on shopping, so if you're just a regular person that shops, you may not gain a lot of money, but you can tell your family and friends about it. And if they sign up under you, then you get $30 and they get $30. So you guys, some of you have signed up under me. Every so often somebody signs up under me, and I leave that money in there until I'm ready to use it. And so that has helped me pay for this. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And again, that's always below if you want to think about it, if you want to look into it, whatever. And then once you get it, share it with your friends and family if you do it. And there's other things too, you know, so I just can't think of, I mean, I save money. It's, you know, anyway, I use that kind of money to pay for things like this. It didn't pay for all of it, but I usually allot some money for my advent calendar. And what I did last year, this is getting longer than I expected, y'all, but if you're new to my channel, I want y'all to know this. What I do is I open every day. So December 1st, so I have my daily videos that come up at 7 a.m. Central Time, and at 12 noon, I open my the day and show you what's in there and tell you what's in there. And then I also play a game. Last year was the first time I did that, and y'all really, really liked it. We'll play a game, and there'll be a giveaway at the end. And I'll explain all that when the time comes, okay? But just to keep that in mind, okay? So thank you all for being here, and I look forward to the holiday season, just like everybody does. And like I said, I have a dear friend that bought this also, and if they show it on their channel, I will watch it. But then I'm not going to remember everything, y'all. I mean, even though I have the book, I'm not going to look at the book again, you know, but it's fabulous. $1,300 value. So I wanted to tell you all about it now because it's on sale now. When I start showing it in December, there's probably not going to be any left because it is something that sells out. So thank you all for stopping by and count your blessings.